Hi, this is Russell Murray from DBI Global Filings, and in today's video I wanted to talk about forming an LLC in Texas. Now, Texas is a very populated state, but it's a very large state, and it's very pro-business. So a lot of people want to form LLCs in Texas, and so it's a fairly easy process. We need to check the name availability with the Texas Secretary of State. A certificate of formation needs to be provided, and Texas does require a registered agent office and a legal address, and there is a filing fee and some annual compliance fees as well. So in Texas, you can either have the limited liability company will have managers, and those managers will be indicated their name and address, the initial manager, on the order form. If the limited liability company will not have managers, the LLC will have members. And you can indicate on the order form the names of the initial members and their addresses too. So one of the other things that's required in the Texas certificate is, at a minimum, the purpose, there should be the following verbiage. The purpose for which the company is formed is for the transaction of any and all lawful business purposes for which a limited liability company may be organized under the Texas Business Organizations Code. Now, the other thing that needs to be done is you need to choose a date for when your LLC is going to become effective. So it can be effective, there's three choices. It can be effective either when the document is filed with the Secretary of State. It can become effective at a later date, which is no more than 90 days from the date of signing. And this document takes effect upon the occurrence of a future event or fact other than the passage of time. So there's three different ways you can do it. Texas charges a one-time fee of $300 at the time of this recording. And you can get a certified copy of the certificate for an additional $15 per copy. So when are the taxes due? There's your initial formation fee, and then there's ongoing annual fees. And you have to file an annual report, and it has to list the names and contact information for each manager, officer, and director of the LLC. And this report is due between January 1st and May 15th. And the average cost, there's a calculation that has to be done, the average cost is approximately $101. So what does DBI Global Filings do? Well, we prepare the articles of formation. We ensure that the information complies with Texas state law. We review the filing for accuracy. We charge a one-time processing fee and an annual registered agent fee. And our fees are listed on the order form. So just go to this button here. Here's where you can fill out all the information. As soon as we get your order, we'll get it filed. Thanks for listening.